crazy, but that's how it goes. Billions of people living exposed. Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Mental wounds not healing, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. Yeah, brother, I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. My 16-year-old babysitter just got her first tattoo. I've listened to preachers, I've listened to fools. I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person can get shot to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live the road. Mental wounds still screaming, who and what to play. Going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me. You gotta listen to my words, Let's go, Kilometer Man on the guitar! My anti-ant's here, guys! What up, anti-ant? Into the cold war, that's what we become. Inheriting troubles, I'm mentally numb. Crazy, I just cannot bear. I've been living with something that just isn't fair. Yeah, mental wounds still screaming, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. We're going to take a small break. Come back for you guys and hit you with the heaviest stuff we got. So don't go.